Hello kids! Welcome back again to Science Lesson with me. So, do you know what are we going to do for today? Well, today we're going to make a zigzag paper and here's what you need. So the first thing that you will need to do is to fold the paper in twice. So you can see 4 different sides of paper. That's how you make a zigzag paper. And after that, you can write the titles in the top of the paper. After you write the title, now you can see 3 different sides of the paper. First, you can draw it with a pencil and then the last one you can color it. On the very bottom of the paper, you can draw the root. On the second part, you can draw the stem. And the third part, you can draw either flower, fruit, or even only the leaf. The example in here, I drew the big tree. After you finish drawing with the pencil, now you can color it. And remember, you can also add more details to your picture. For example, in here, since I drew a big tree, I can add the details to my root and my stem. After you finish drawing and color it, now you can name each part of the plant. Now you have your own zigzag paper. In here I will tell you the bigger picture. As you can see, when I open my zigzag paper, you will see a big picture of the big tree. First, I have the root, trunk, and leaf, or maybe you can add in here flower and fruit. And now, how you will explain it? You can start from the very top of the paper. Or you can start it from the very bottom of the paper. Let us check how to do it.
So I have my zigzag paper and I would like to explain to you what's inside it. And the first part of the planet I will tell you is the very first bottom of the part. So we have the roots. And the function of the root itself is to absorb water from the soil, and then in order to get the minerals and nutrients for the plants. And then after the roots get the water from the soil, it will be transferred to the trunk, which, as we know, that the trunk is the term for the stem for the big tree. So the trunk itself has the function to transfer water and to hold the plant standstill. And then after the stem and the third part in here, I have the leaf. So the function of the leaf itself to make food. The plant can make food for the help from the water, and then from the light, and then from the air. So after the tree can make their own food, some tree also can have flowers and fruit in order to make new plants, because inside the fruit and the flower they have the seed. So if I open like this, you can see how the water can be transported from the roots. The water from the roots, after it absorbs, it will transfer first to the trunk, and then it will transfer to all over the parts of the plant. So not only here, it will also transfer to the trunk through here, and then it will follow to the leaf in here. So when the leaf function is to make food, they can do their job with the help of the light from the sun and from the water up here. So that's how the water through from the roots to the leaf.
That's all for today. Good luck with your project.